Come test drive the 2019 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, braking assist, battery saver, power brakes, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display, cargo area light, trip odometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.